What's up, guys? Today we'll be cooking hot dog with a toaster. The question is it even possible? So I'll make it possible for you. So these are a few easy steps. First, defrost. Then maybe 2 pieces of hot dog. Now we're gonna cut the edges so it will cook evenly inside and more quickly. So I'll cut it now. So I already cut the edges. Can you see the edges? Alright. Now let's put in my toaster. Get it up, put it there. Maybe set it for like 7 minutes. Alright, let's see. It's good hot dog. Okay, what? Oh yeah, here. It's heating up. It's heating up. Right, then we wait for maybe 7 minutes. We'll be back, guys. I heard our hot dog is finished. Let me grab a plate. Okay. Smell that. Get on this one. Get the hot dog and see what happens. Ooh, hot. Ooh, hot. Now we get the bread. Get the bread. Let's get the bread. Quite. Let's go get the cheese. Cheese. Ah, yeah. Little bitch. Basically. Oh yeah. Just put the hot dog here. Wrap it here like this. And there you have it. Instant hot dog by the use of a toaster. So if any have suggestion, just comment or whatever. This is nice.